Soren Link, mayor of Duisburg, Germany, visited central China's Wuhan with a delegation of more than 20 people this week. That is the largest such delegation from Duisburg in Wuhan over the past 15 years. During the 4-day visit, the German delegation visited companies related to renewable energy, intelligent vehicles, and logistics. Trade talks were also held to further consolidate the cooperation between two cities.
This is my first time to China, my first time to Wuhan, but I'm really impressed to be here. It's been also my first time traveling in a fully self-automated driving car, and the first 2 to 5 seconds were really strange, seeing the steering wheel go by itself, but after that it was a brilliant experience, and it was really joyful and a lot of fun. And besides that, we're always looking for the exchange of students, knowledge, and culture also. Culture is also a big part, which we're always looking to have an exchange. And we hope to see better and improved cooperation between China and Germany.
I see very, very great potential, especially I think what the Germans are really impressed by is the very strong ties between your research and your practice. Because in your industrial parks, research and the business is very strongly tied together, which gives a lot of room for innovation, and this is something that the German companies can also learn from. You can see that the structure is actually quite similar. So especially when it comes to logistics, but also renewable energies, I think there is very great potential. But for future projects, I would say that also when it comes to circular economy, both countries can really have a fruitful cooperation.
In 1982, Duisburg became the first city in the Federal Republic of Germany to establish a relationship of sister cities with Wuhan, a riverside industrial hub in China.